I want to know who motherfucking representing it here tonight. Hold on.
What's up, everybody? I'm Tawnirose, and I'm here with a video to show you how I make my summertime Senegalese twist lightweight yet full looking. So let's get started. So the hair I'm using this time around is the Eve Hair Quick Braiding Hair. I will put any links that I find on the internet in the description box below, but I'm pretty sure they're in like almost every beauty supply store. Okay, so the quick braid is basically, it saves you time. You don't have to fray the ends on your own for each little piece. It already comes ready to go, basically. The hair, I feel like the hair is softer, and it's just, it has that natural ending to it. It's not like a blunt cut that you, Jesus. Cut, a blunt cut. Anyway, so I just pinch off a piece of the hair just as big as my thumb, and then that's the size that I use for each twist, except for the twists that are close to my edges, because I'm trying to save my edges when I do my protective styles. So initially what I found that works for me is doing bigger sections with the same amount of Senegalese hair so that the twists still look like around the same width or size. That's what I want to say. When I shot my blue ombre Senegalese twist video, which I will put in the video above right here, I found that it was cute, but it was super heavy. So I've been trying to figure out a way to make them still look full and light. These are how small my Senegalese twists are on the edges because I don't want them to be heavy. I don't want them to be stressing the edges out, so I just make them really small. The rest of them are the regular size. Maybe some are a little bigger, some are a little smaller. They're just kind of all over the place. And as you can see, my method is still braid first, then twist. I was going to use the invisible root method, but I feel like it doesn't last that long. It gets fuzzy really quick. And then I was going to try the rubber band method, but I feel like I didn't want a bunch of rubber bands in my head all over the place, so I just stuck to what I usually do. The sides and the back of the hair have the bigger sections for the twist, and then the front are what I call, like, I guess the normal size, or the normal size that I would do, so that we can still get that full look in the front. And here's where it went wrong. It went wrong in the back, y'all. It went so wrong in the back. The sections were way too big. It had gaps. You can see the scalp. It was a mess. So I just decided to take a couple of them down, section them off, maybe 1, 2, or 3 different twists. And then now I have the fullness that I have, and it still isn't heavy. Also, I didn't add any more Senegalese hair to the resection twist. What I did was I took some of the Senegalese hair from the twist in the back, and I just remade some new twists. I made it work. And here's how the twists look before I dipped them. They're really full. They're really cute. I liked how they turned out, but I also, like I said, wanted them lightweight, so I feel like if I dip them, then they will look more relaxed. They will be lighter, and I feel like I achieved that goal with the dipping. I can do a bunch of different styles with it. That will be in another video. But yeah, these are the results. If you found this video to be informative, or if you have any questions, like it, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I will see y'all next time. Bye.